Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix crash fatal error with MultiVersus game on Windows PC. Now, the first method is to restart the PC. Whenever you encounter the crash error or any game bug, you should restart your PC. Restarting your PC will eliminate any temporary error which is occurring due to the old cookies and cache or the system's other software is clashing with your gaming software. All of these errors will be eradicated after a simple restart of the PC or any other platform you use. Method 2. Run the game on D3, D11 or DX11 or DX12. First, launch the Steam client. Go to Library. Locate and right-click on MultiVersus. Click on Properties. Select General from the left pane menu, then type D3 D11 under the launch options. Now, simply go back and launch the game. If not work, do same thing again with DX11 and DX12. Method 3. Turn off Rivatuner and MSI Afterburner. If you are using MSI Afterburner and Rivatuner, I recommend try turn off them. MSI Afterburner and Rivatuner can cause software conflicts leading to games crashed. This problem is not just with MultiVersus, it happens in a bunch of games and other softwares. Method 4. Turn off overclocking. Overclocked chips are not stable, and improper settings can push the game to an extremely unstable state. This may end up in crashes. So, revert your overclocking settings from either the BIOS, the AMD Ryzen Master utility, or the MSI Afterburner OC utility if you have an OCED graphics card. Method 5. Only on Windows 7. Go to the GitHub page, then download the latest DXVK version. Now, extract the downloaded file. After that, copy all the files present from x64 folder. Next, open Steam, select Library, right-click on MultiVersus and select Manage, then choose Browse Local Files. Open MultiVersus folder. Open Binaries folder. Open Win64 folder. Right here, paste the files in this location. Once done, simply go back and launch the game. Method 6. Temp folder cleanup. Make sure you quit the Steam client on your computer completely by clicking Steam > exit from the top side menu with the Steam client open. Next, press Windows key, then type %temp% and press Enter. Delete all the content of the temp folder. Restart the game and check if the issue persists. Method 7. Update your graphics driver and OS. The outdated graphic drivers may likely cause the issue. Updating your graphics driver can help you out. You can update your graphics card manually or even choose automatic graphics card drivers updating software. Besides, you should also update your operating system. Method 8. Disable your antivirus. You can also try disabling your antivirus and then see if the error is fixed or not. The error might be caused due to your overprotective security suite or antivirus. It might be blocking your game from being launched and thus causing the launch error. Hence, turn off your antivirus and then relaunch the game. Check whether or not the error has stopped now. If you are able to launch MultiVersus without the launcher error, you can be sure your antivirus is the main culprit. Now, disabling your antivirus permanently is not recommended as it can invite viruses and malware to your system. So, add the MultiVersus game to the exception or exclusion list of your antivirus to fix the error. Method 9. Allow app through Windows Firewall. Press Windows key, then type Firewall. Next, select Allow app through Windows Firewall. Now, click on Change Settings. Browse through the list of allowed apps and features to see if MultiVersus is included. If not see, click Allow another app. Click Browse. Go to the game installation folder. Right here, select multiversus.exe file, then click Open. Click Add. Now, launch the game once again and see if error still throws up. Method 10. Run the game on dedicated graphics card. Navigate to Settings. Select Display. Select Graphics. Select Browse, then go to the game installation folder. Now, select multiversus.exe file and click Add. Once the game added, click on Option and choose High Performance. Click Save. Now, again select Browse. Open Multiversus folder. Open Binaries folder. Open Win64 folder. Select Multiversus Win64 shipping.exe file, then click Add. Once the game added, click on Option and choose High Performance. Click Save. Now, launch the game again and check if the problem is fixed. Method 11. Verify the integrity of game files. Open Steam, then navigate to Library. Now, right-click on Multiversus, then select Properties. Next, select Local File, then choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once done, try play the Multiversus game again and check if the problem is fixed. Method 12. Run the game as an administrator. First of all, open up the Steam, then navigate to Library. Now, right-click on the Multiversus game and select Manage. After that, choose Browse Local Files. In Local Files, right-click on the Multiversus application file provided and from the drop-down menu, choose the Properties option. On the Properties window, switch to the Compatibility tab. There, tick the Run this program as an administrator option. Once you have done that, go ahead and try launching the game again to see if the problem still occurs. Method 13. Disable Steam Overlay and close all the overlay apps. Method 14. Make sure installed latest Visual C++ redistributable package. Press Windows key, then type Control Panel and select it from the results. Navigate to Uninstall a program. Press and hold or right-click on the Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022. Redistributable x64 and uninstall, then follow the directions on the screen. Do the same with all versions. Once done, you need to restart your computer. When restart done, visit this site and download latest Visual C++ redistributable package, then install it. Finally, run Steam as admin and start the game normally. Method 15. Perform a clean boot. First of all, pressing Windows key on your keyboard. Then, type in msconfig and then hit the Enter key. This will open up the System Configuration window. There, switch to the Services tab. After that, go ahead and tick the Hide All Microsoft Services checkbox provided. Follow this up by clicking the Disable All button and then click Apply. After doing that, switch to the Startup tab and there click the Open Task Manager option. On the Task Manager window, select all of the apps one by one and then click the Disable button provided at the bottom right corner. Once you have done that, go ahead and restart your PC. After your PC boots up, try launching the game to see if the error code still appears.
Method 16. Uninstall and reinstall the game to the different drive.
If none of the solutions above has worked for you, it's time to uninstall and reinstall the game. When you uninstall software, app, game, it will delete all the game data and files. By this trick, the corrupt files related to the game will also get deleted.
That's it, guys. I assume this guide was helpful to you.